BBLG stock analysis for tomorrow, 30th of June. What I'll be breaking down here is my exact play with bone biologics. First of all, this is not going to be like, okay, do this, do that. More so I'm going to be giving you my idea and you should do your own due diligence because this is not financial advice. But I'm the only guy in the space with 42,000 videos documented like this. It's taken me 5 years to come to this point. It's all on my YouTube channel. And BBLG, from the right from the get-go, this is not a bullish market from like a high time frame point of view, if you know what I mean. So what is it? Well, I'm going to mark up the supply zone here. Okay, we're sitting at 457. Only if I do see some good sort of double breaks, you know, only then I'll, I guess, look to take it further down. But like randomly selling, man, it's not going to be happening. So what I'll be doing in the meantime is just keep waiting. And if you want to learn how making 5-10K per month, get the free souls that take me 5 years to learn, click the first link below. 1,200 people have already gotten it. It's very saucy. See you in the next one. You know, there's nothing else that I'll be adding here. See you.